In this video, I'm just going to explain you how to use the return type declaration. Return type declaration means to say that we want to ensure that the value returned by a function is of particular type. It will not accept any type of the return here. So in order to do that, I'm just going to create a new file here, and to this I'm giving the name as function return type.php, and here I'm just going to write the code for this. What I'm doing, I'm declaring here starting the PHP script here, and here I'm just closing the PHP script, and from here I'm just going to start the declaration of the function. So in order to declare the function, so I have to use function keyword, and I'm using the name as add num to the function, and this function will take the two argument of type say float, and I'm declaring variable x comma then another variable of type float, and I'm declaring the variable y here, and here I'm just going to write the body for this, and I'm using return keyword here, and it will return the sum of the variable x plus variable y. And what I'm doing, this is done here, and here I'm going to call this function. So I'm writing echo as like of our previous program, and here I write 3.5 plus 9.2 is equal to, and I'm using the concept of concatenation operator, and I'm calling this function add num, and here I'm writing the value to this as 3.5. one argument is passed and another argument is passed as 9.2, and put the semicolon here, save the changes, and here we go in the browser, and here is our PHP directory in the local host, and here is the file function return type. If we click on this, we got the result here as 12.7. Now what we'll do, what will happen if we pass this argument here as of value 11 or 9 only, save the changes, and here we go refresh, and we got the result as 12.5 here in this case. And what I just wanted to do over here, or either we can put this value as 3 here also. Here we go refresh this, and we got the value here as 12. Now here I just wanted to restrict the type. I just wanted to pass the argument as of type say float, but I want the result not in float, but I want the result only in say integer only. So in order to do that, what I have to make it declare here, that is the first line, declare, and to this I have to give the value strict, then type is equal to 1, and put the semicolon here, and I just want to have the value only integer, so here I have to use colon, and here I have to write int, and then you have to put the curly brackets here. Okay, then here we have started the body for this, and here we have to write return, and in the parenthesis I have to write 8, and this line again has to be right within the parenthesis. We close this. So save the changes here, and here we go, refresh. We got the result over here as 12. What will happen if I put this value as 3.2 and to this value as 9.7, say? So I have to put, I'm just going to say here 9.7 and here 3.2. Save your changes, and here we go, refresh. Even in this case we are going to getting the result only, that is 12 here. So it means whether we pass this argument as of type float, but we get the result in return as only of a integer, not the fractional value. That's why we can restrict it type and return type to be declared here in this case. So we can use one more line here as, say, concatenation operator. We use here concatenation, and to this I add break, and I'm using one more line, echo, and to this I'm say it's 9.6 plus 8.8 is equal to, and I'm using here again the concatenation operator and calling the function add num, and to this I'm passing the argument, say 9.6 comma 8.8. Put the semicolon here, save the changes, and here we go, refresh it. We got the error, syntax error. We have to put some commas here. Okay, this is error here. Here put double parenthesis we have used. So save your changes, and here we go, refresh, and we got the result. Now here in this case our result should be 18.4, but here it is showing only 18, just because of the reason we have make it type restrict to return as a integer only. What will happen if we make this line as comment here, and I remove this line from here, and I write here simple this line and this line, save the changes here, and here we go, refresh. We got the result here like this way, 12.9 and 18.4. If in order to make it sure that the function will return only the integer value, we have to make this line first as declare strict type is equal to 1. This is possible only in version 7 onward, and here I have to write this code within the parenthesis, and here again I have to write parenthesis, and in between I have to give the data type in which we want the result to be returned. So save your changes here, and again refresh this. You will see the difference here. You will get the result as only in of type integer, not of float. So that's all for the functions, and we will come to the next section of this course, that is PHP array, in the next sections. So that's all for now. See you there.